Welcome everybody. Welcome to Modi's English class. Today's is a hot topic. Topic for the interviewers. Topic for the professionals. And topic for all the students, not only of India, but also of the world. Let us begin the topic. What's the topic? Topic is group discussion. Lots of people have always doubt in their mind. What's group discussion? Is it a group meeting? Is it a group chat? No. It's not like that. It's a formal discussion taking certain people, approximately 3 to 8 number of people in the discussion as a strategy for selection process. Big companies coming to the colleges. Why? They want to hire people. They want to select good people. They want to select suitable people for their company, and group discussion is taken as a strategy for selection in jobs. So definitely this is the hot topic. Everywhere people fear to face group discussion. Let me tell you, discuss all the nuances, all the points in an easy manner. So to start with, ideal group discussion, what are the members available? Who fixes the member? So the ideal members are 3 to 8. I have already told you. 3 to 8 members have a free oral discussion. Free oral discussion. They are commenting, cross-commenting, viewing, opinions, suggestions, quarrels. All these things are there inside the group discussion. And there is, of course, some kind of verbal fighting is there. Verbal fighting. What is that? This is not the fighting like this. Fighting is verbal. Verbal means word fighting. Cross-examination there. Opinions are cut. So what are the strategies to win in group discussion? Who can be a successful candidate of the group discussion? What are the points? How to handle? Let me start the important points of group discussion. And the first point is theme. In group discussion, always there is a particular theme. Example, the war between India and China. The war between India and China. Suppose this is the topic given to the students. Then it's a hot topic. And what have you to say? If I ask you now, China may be powerful, but at this point of time, who is the winner? Winner is Narendra Modi, not Jinping. Why? Because it's a psychological battle. It's a battle of the minds. And let me start. In group discussion, the theme is always important. What is the theme? The subject matter. The subject, the topic which is given for discussion. I have given the example. What is the topic? The war between India and China. Suppose this is the topic. What have you to say? You have to stick to the points. You have to speak on the theme. You have to speak on the subject matter. So, theme is always important. If you digress from the theme, that is the negative point of a group discussion. So, you have to stick to the point. So, second point, speaking ability. What's the point is group discussion. What do you mean by discussion? You are giving your opinions. You are giving your suggestions. That's why if you don't have the speaking ability, if you don't have the spoken power, if you don't have the word power, if you don't have the vocabulary, you can't win. So that's why speaking ability is another important factor for succeeding in group discussion. So you have to speak fluently. You have to speak unstoppably. Then only you are a group leader. You are a group winner. So in group discussion, the most important point is that you have to speak, and speak with fluency, speak with accuracy, speak with points, speak with focus. Then only you can be a winner. The next point, time management. Look, the group discussion is always on the basis of particular time. And if you exceed the time, or if you don't consume the time, that's always wrong. In a very few minutes time, you have to present your opinions. You have to give your suggestions. You have to prove your point. That's my point. What? You have to prove your point. So according to time management, what's the theory? The theory is that if there are 8 members available in the group and it's a 15-minute discussion, then you get hardly 2 minutes for your discussion. And in 2 minutes, you have to speak everything, whatever the topic is, whatever the theme is, whatever the subject matter is. So time management is of course crucial factor of winning a group discussion, doing well in group discussion. Then the next point is polite and firm. You should not quarrel. If you quarrel, in the polite manner, and you should be firm. Firm means rock solid. What is the meaning of firm? Rock solid. You are rock solid in your opinions. You are rock solid in your suggestions. That will give you the winning chance. So that's why you have to be very much pointed. You have to be very much sticking to the points and giving time management and polite and firm. You have to be very much polite in your opinions, polite in your behavior and sticking to the points. Next point is turn taking strategies. What do you mean by that? Turn taking strategies means so making a turn from one point to another. Suppose you want to add, you want to cross your co-members, you want to oppose your cross members, you want to give a new points. So that is the point, turn taking strategy. You should be an able person who can turn taking strategies applied well, and you can win that. You can win that by giving new opinions, by giving new suggestions. Next point is cordial and cooperative atmosphere. I have told you. What are the strategies? You should be cordial. There should be cooperation among the members. If any member is violating, if any member is aggressive, then that's the negative point. And the board members, the observers disqualify that member. So that's why there should be cordial atmosphere and cooperative atmosphere. Whatever points you project, your projections should be good. And there should not be fighting atmosphere. There should not be contradictions leading to fighting into a physical fighting. Verbal fightings are good, but that is in a cooperative atmosphere. That is in a cordial atmosphere. Next important point is persuasive strategies. You have that power within you that you can persuade somebody. You can motivate somebody. Your opinions are so magical that it is accepted by the rest of the members. Why? Because you have that persuasive skill within you. You have that persuasive intellect within you, and you succeed and others support you. So that persuasive strategy should be there. Next point, reaching a discussion. What is that? This is important. Suppose the theme is given to you. You have to reach a particular discussion. You have to reach and you have to conclude that point. Reach at a particular point. Reach at a particular frame and making opinions, making deductions, making conclusions. So that is known as reaching a discussion. Now let me give you some other important points which are written on the left side of the board, and that is GD as a part of a selection process. Why GD conducted nowadays by various companies, by various organizations, by various offices? Because they want to select right candidates for their companies. And what is the first point? Evaluation and analysis. GD is considered as a process of evaluation and analysis. Suppose 8 members are discussing here. All these discussions are observed through the camera by the board members. Through the camera by the board members. Why? Because they want to select the right candidate. They want to select the suitable candidate. What they observe, they really evaluate and do the analysis of the candidates who are fit enough to get recruited to the company. Next one, knowledge. What is GD? GD is taken as a measuring tool for knowledge. What's my knowledge on the theme? What's my knowledge as a leadership skill? What's my knowledge on speaking power? What's my knowledge having a persuasive power? So, the second point is most vital, assessing knowledge. GD is taken as a strategy to assess the knowledge. Next one is group behavior. What is observed? Group behavior. Your group behavior should be good. Your group behavior should be adaptable. Your group behavior should be acceptable. Then only you are a winner. So definitely GD as a part of a selection process. Why they consider it as a selection process? Because they observe group behavior. How the candidate, how a particular person behaves in a group, whether he is cordial, whether he is cooperative or not cooperative in the group, then he is disqualified. So every chance of disqualification is there if your group behavior is not good. Next point, communication skills. So what is group discussion? I told you. Group discussion means your communication skills are judged. What is communication skills? How you project a particular point. How you present a particular point. What are your opinions? What are your suggestions? How you speak? What's your presentation tactics? What's your presentation skills? And how motivating you are in making a formal opinion acceptable by other members. So that's why your communication skills are also judged. And the last point, all of you know, leadership skill. What is group discussion? In group discussion, we observe leadership skill. Who is a leader? Nobody is fixed leader. In a group, nobody is a fixed leader. Nobody selects a leader. Automatically, the leadership skills of a person comes out. And that is observed by the board members. That is observed by the selection committee. So, your leadership skill will give you a job. Your leadership skill will give you a post in the company. So, that's why these are the tools for measuring GD taken as a selection process. To evaluate what? To evaluate all these points. So, thanks a lot for observing this video. Bye bye. Next class I will give you more videos. Thanks a lot.